If you're a lucky visitor to Himeji, you might come across the traditional morning market at Hontokuji Temple. There are many shops. You can enjoy not only eating but shopping. This is called Himeji Oden. Usually we eat oden with mustard, but Himeji Oden you can eat ginger salsa.
元祖のお店は角屋食堂とちゃうかな。関東に言うてるやろ。西になるほど味が甘いらしいけども、誰ぞが醤油につけたかって。そん知らんがな、わし知らんわよんなもん。はっきりしてないよ。
この辺りずっと西二上町の方にかけて、
The street in the front of the temple used to extend a mile away, with shops and restaurants crowded with those coming to pray. In an attempt to recover such old days, voluntary members began this occasional market 5 times a year. This is held in the morning of the first Sunday every March, May, July, September, and December. Please come enjoy this event when you have time, says he. How does this event look like? Within a modern lifestyle, there still remains good old day of Japanese traditional community. Hontokuji Temple is located about a mile west of Himeji Castle. Walk the distance in the morning breeze will find you another scene of Himeji City.